my name is Daniel Dillon. I am 23 years old. I'm originally from Princeton, West Virginia, and I will be graduating at Valley Forge Christian College in May 2012 with a degree in children's ministry. My philosophy of children's ministry is that children are a blessing from the Lord. God has entrusted us that we should teach them in the way they should go. Psalm 127:3 says, "Children are a heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from Him." And I believe now that culture is starting to target more younger and younger. And as a church, we need to reach out to the young kids and teach them the way that they should go and the way of the Bible. Since I've been here at Valley Forge Christian College, I have been very involved in children's ministry. I have directed 3 kids crusades, helped in numerous vacation Bible schools, actually went with Valley Forge Christian College to Kenya, and we ministered to over 7,000 kids, and that really just touched my life. One thing that God has given me the privilege of is the different kind of churches I've been able to serve in. From being in the mountains of West Virginia, I have served in churches with 5 kids, 10 kids, 15 at most. And then when I came to Valley Forge Christian College, I got plugged in at a church, Christian Life Center in Salem, Pennsylvania. And they had 120 kids, if not more. And at first it was kind of overwhelming, but I absolutely love it now, just interacting with the kids and talking with them and truly ministering. This summer of my junior and senior year, I got to intern at a church, Celebration Church in Akron, Ohio, and their focus was the urban ministry, and it was something new for me, and I really just felt God work through and see Him work was just an amazing experience. And that's one thing I love, is just seeing the different kinds of cultures, because when we see the cultures and understand their needs, that's how we can truly effectively minister to them. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video and take a look at my resume. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you got a better understanding of who I am and who God has called me to be. God bless.